Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to link Zelle with Cash App. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for your money transfers, this guide will make your life a lot easier. Zelle is that quick payment service tied to your bank account, perfect for splitting bills or sending cash to friends. Cash App, on the other hand, is a versatile app from Square that lets you send, receive, and even invest money. By linking them, you can seamlessly move funds between the two without the hassle. First things first, make sure you have both apps set up on your phone. Start by opening your bank's app or website. Zelle is usually integrated there. If your bank supports Zelle, you'll need to enroll using your email or phone number. Once that's done, head over to the Cash App. Go to the Bank section in your profile and add your bank account that's linked to Zelle. This might involve verifying your account with a small deposit or by entering your bank's routing and account numbers. Now, for the linking process. In Cash App, select Add Bank and choose your bank from the list. If Zelle is connected to that bank, you're good to go. Sometimes, you'll need to confirm your identity or link via Plaid for secure connections. Once linked, you can transfer money from Zelle to your Cash App balance by sending it to your Cash App email or phone number. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double-check the recipient's details to avoid errors, and be aware that linking might take a day or two for verification. Also, remember that fees could apply depending on your bank. If you run into issues, like errors during linking, contact your bank's support or Cash App's help center. They're usually quick to assist. There you have it. You've now linked Zelle with Cash App, making your transactions smoother than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.